Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you will learn the use of scale command in AutoCAD. So let us begin our tutorial. First make a circle with C command. Then replace circle at center of screen with move command. Now make a polygon inside the circle. Afterwards, use scale command and then select base point of your polygon. Here press numerical value, but remember value should be multiple of 1. If you press 2 then polygon will become twice in size. Congratulations, you successfully learned the scale command. For more practice, again I use numerical value, but this time I want the half size of polygon. So I press 0.5 for the half size. I hope you learned the scale command. So, hit like or do subscribe our channel. Thanks.